Hello everyone, welcome back. You're watching Biology Nexus and this is Anand. Okay, today we are going to be comparing purine and pyrimidines. What they are, how they differ, and how to remember. Most of the students I notice, confused actually. That how they differentiate between both of them. What is purine, what is pyrimidine, and what kind of a nitrogen base is included in purines, and what nitrogen base is actually included in pyrimidines. Actually, purine, and if you talk about the purine and pyrimidines, these are actually the classification of a nitrogen bases. And in this video, we discuss the nitrogen bases that are found in RNA and DNA. So, have a look. Purines are actually having adenine and guanine, as you can see in the light bulb, the structure of adenine and guanine as well. So purine having the nitrogen bases adenine and guanine and having double ring structure, as you can see. While comparing to pyrimidines, it's actually have tyrosine, uracil, and thymine. Uracil we say in case of RNA, and thymine in case of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So these are the nitrogen bases that purines and pyrimidines have. In case of purines, adenine and guanine are included, and if you talk about the pyrimidines, it's included actually the tyrosine, the uracil, and thymine. Okay, and now if you talk about that how you can remember, so these are some sort of tricks, I must say, with the help of some mnemonics, you can memorize which nitrogen bases are placed in purines and which nitrogen bases are placed in pyrimidines. If we talk about the mnemonics, then how you can memorize, how you can remember what nitrogen base is included in purine and what nitrogen base is included in pyrimidine. So first we go with purines. If we talk about purines, the famous mnemonics, pure as gold. So P for purines, of course, A for adenine, G for guanine. So with the help of this mnemonics, pure as gold, you can memorize what kind of a nitrogen base is included in purines. And on the other hand, if you talk about the pyrimidines, karta pi. E for pyrimidine, C for tyrosine, U for uracil, and T for thymine. So this is the very easiest and tricky way this mnemonics will help you, of course, how what kind of a nitrogen base is included in pyrimidines, and in case of purines, what nitrogen bases are included. And if we talk about another difference, purine actually having double ring structure, while in case of pyrimidines, similar single ring structure. As I showed you, single ring structure. And one more tip, the purine is a smaller word but has a larger, double ring structure as the adenine and guanine double ring structure. Smaller word, larger structure. But pyrimidines, you can say the larger word, not spell, but the smaller structure. So this is the very easiest way to remember, to memorize the nitrogen bases that include in purines and that include in pyrimidine. So that's it. This is all about the today's lecture. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like it. Keep watching Biology Nexus. Take care.